Thinking about a full house renovation but feeling overwhelmed? You're not alone. This video will guide you through every step, from demolition to the final walkthrough. We'll give you smart homeowner tips, tell you what to expect, what mistakes to avoid, and how to stay in control of your remodel. No stress. Let's dive in. Step 1. Planning and design. This is the foundation of your project. Everything starts with a plan. Rushing into a renovation without one is like driving blind. Here's what homeowners should do first. Walk through your house and make a list of your must-haves and nice-to-haves. More space, better layout, energy efficiency, or modern design. Set a realistic budget and add 10 to 15% extra for surprises, like old wiring or water damage. If you're removing walls or changing layouts, hire an architect or designer to draw plans. Pick your major materials early: cabinets, tile, floors, plumbing fixtures. Ordering late can delay the project. Apply for permits early. These can take weeks, especially in busy counties. Decide if you'll live in the house or move out. Renovations are messy and loud. Be honest with yourself. Tip: create a shared folder or binder with your ideas, product selections, and receipts to stay organized. Mistake to avoid: changing your mind after construction starts. Last-minute decisions cause delays and cost more. Step 2. Demolition. This is when the real transformation begins. But don't just start swinging. Before demo starts, make sure utilities are shut off safely: water, gas, and electric. Protect untouched areas with plastic sheets, cardboard on floors, or zip walls. Remove everything from the work zone: furniture, electronics, valuables. During demo, tear out flooring, old cabinets, tile, drywall, or walls being removed. Dispose of debris with a dumpster or haul-away service. Inspect what's behind the walls. This is your chance to discover hidden issues like mold, rot, pests, or outdated wiring. Tip: if you're keeping any existing finishes like hardwood floors or trim, make sure they're clearly marked and protected. Mistake to avoid: skipping an inspection after demo. You need to confirm the framing, wiring, and plumbing are ready before moving forward. Step 3. Framing and structural work. Now you're shaping the layout of your new home. This step includes building new walls or taking down old ones, installing beams for open concepts or load-bearing changes, framing new doors, windows, closets, or full room layouts. If you're finishing a basement or attic, now is when you frame out every space. Tip: ask for a quick walkthrough with your contractor once framing is done. It's easier to tweak a doorway width or wall location now before insulation and drywall. Mistake to avoid: assuming all walls are square. Poor framing will cause major headaches when it's time to install cabinets, trim, and doors. Step 4. Mechanical rough-ins. Plumbing, electric, HVAC. This is the stage where everything behind the walls gets installed. The stuff you won't see but rely on every day. Here's what homeowners should expect. Electricians run wiring for lights, outlets, smart systems, and panels. Plumbers install water lines, drains, vents, and rough-ins for showers and toilets. HVAC pros install or reroute ductwork, vents, and returns. Some homes may need new furnaces or AC units. Tip: walk the house with your contractor and electrician before drywall. Confirm exact switch, outlet, and light locations. Bring a measuring tape. Mistake to avoid: forgetting future needs, like a plug near your bed, an outlet on the island, or extra wiring for a smart thermostat. Step 5. Insulation and drywall. Sealing it. In your home starts to feel like a house again. Walls go up and rooms take shape. Here's what happens. Insulation goes into walls, ceilings, and crawl spaces. Spray foam, bat, or blown in, depending on the area. Inspections may as required by your city or county before closing the walls. Drywall is hung, taped, mudded, and sanded. This takes a few days to finish properly. A primer coat of paint is applied to seal everything in. Tip: ask for extra insulation in bedrooms, offices, or shared walls for better soundproofing. Mistake to avoid: rushing drywall. Poor sanding or finishing will show through your paint and make everything look cheap. Step 6. Interior finishes, where design comes to life. Now your vision starts to come to life, and the design choices really matter. What's installed? Interior painting, ceilings first, then walls, flooring, tile, hardwood, LVP, or carpet cabinets and vanities in kitchens and bathrooms. Countertops, and usually measured after cabinets are set. Trim work, baseboards, crown molding, door casings, interior doors, and hardware. Tip: create a clean workspace. Ask your contractor to store flooring and cabinets in a dry, safe place to prevent damage. Mistake to avoid: changing your mind about colors or materials now. You'll cause delays, extra costs, and even need rework. Step 7. Fixtures, lighting, and appliances. This is when your home starts to feel real and functional. What gets installed? Light fixtures, pendant lights, chandeliers, and recessed lighting. Switches, outlets, dimmers, and controls. Plumbing fixtures, like sinks, faucets, shower heads, and toilets appliances. Ovens, dishwashers, fridges, microwaves, HVAC finishes, vents, thermostats, bathroom mirrors, towel bars, shelves, shower glass. Tip: make sure all appliances are on site early. Back-ordered appliances can delay everything. Mistake to avoid: forgetting to test everything. Flip every switch, open every faucet, and test every outlet. Step 8. Final touches and cleanup. Almost there. Now it's all about perfecting the details. What's done? Final paint touch-ups, removing protective film, and covering from floors, appliances, and windows. Full house deep cleaning, including windows, floors, and dust removal exterior touch-ups. Landscaping, paint, or driveway patching. Tip: walk around with painter's tape and mark small issues to fix, like nicks, missed spots, or crooked trim. Mistake to avoid: rushing this phase. Final touch-ups make the difference between good and great. Step 9. Final inspection and walkthrough. This is your last chance to make sure everything is perfect. What to do? Final inspections for electrical, plumbing, HVAC, and structural walkthrough with your contractor, and make a punch list of small items to fix. Confirm everything is done to your satisfaction. Collect manuals, warranties, and inspection reports. Sign off and make your final payment only when everything is complete. Tip: bring a notebook and flashlight. Look closely at paint lines, doors, floors, and countertops. Mistake to avoid: skipping this step. Small problems become big headaches if ignored. Step 10. Move back in and enjoy your new home. You made it. Now, move in your furniture and decor. Register your appliances and warranties online. Store all permits, plans, manuals, and receipts. Take time to relax and enjoy your beautiful new space. Tip: take lots of before and after photos. They're great for insurance, resale, or just seeing how far you've come. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more home remodeling guides and design tips. Got questions about your project? Drop them in the comments. We're here to help.